I just wanted everybody to get a sense of that, give you some more emotion into this case, and maybe give a glimpse of what the jurors might be thinking. But as I said, this is not the only trial that we're focusing on. We're also focusing on the verdict watch in the Ghislaine Maxwell case. We have with us Law&Crime's Adam Klasfeld, who is in that courthouse, has been following this trial, has been at the courthouse, seeing what the latest is. Adam, it's good to, I don't see you, hear you at least, because there's no cameras allowed in the courthouse, but we do have you on the phone. Walk me through what the latest is at this point in the deliberations.
The latest is the jurors are as quiet as church mice, and they have been all day. They have been deliberating since 9 a.m. They are intended to go until 4:30, unless they reach a verdict earlier than that. And then we'll see whether they'll be back tomorrow. So these are jurors who are taking their time. Of course, we spoke recently about deliberations. They requested loads of evidence yesterday. I'm sure that those transcripts are likely still with them today, transcripts of all three of Ghislaine Maxwell's alleged victims. So this is a jury that is taking their time. That said, it is a mountain of evidence. They have 80 pages of jury instructions to pick apart 6 federal charges that get pretty complicated. You know, that's why the jury charge is 80 pages long. So it's not surprising that they're really taking their time with it. This is only the second full day of deliberations, but whereas the notes were flying on the first full day, the second full day has been very, very quiet.
Well, Adam, I do want to ask you about the jury question they had yesterday about Annie Farmer, one of the women who's testified against Ghislaine Maxwell. What did you take away from that question, if you could explain to our viewers?
Absolutely. Well, Annie Farmer, the question that they had was whether they could consider her testimony to 2 of the conspiracy counts. So they asked a very specific legal question, and the judge gave them an authoritative answer, basically said, yes, you may consider her testimony to those 2 charges. So that looks like a clear boon to the prosecution, you know, with the disclaimer, you never know what a jury is thinking. And the upshot of that note is you may consider it. It doesn't mean that that there will be a conviction, but they gave a very, very clear answer here that her testimony that Ghislaine Maxwell and Jeffrey Epstein allegedly molested her in New Mexico, that can be used for those conspiracy counts, which allege that there was transportation of her from a place where she was a minor.
Right. And it's interesting because they could be, hey, we're leaning towards conviction, or maybe we just want to know what the law is, like you said, and get all of our ducks in a row and understand what the jury instructions is and move forward from there. Adam, we have to hit a quick break. I wish we had a little bit more time, but maybe we'll get to you later on in the program to talk about the latest. Thank you so much, Adam Klasfeld. Also, Catherine Lizardo, I know we have to sign you off. Thank you as well. We'll take a quick break. We'll be right back right after this.
Hi, this is Dan Abrams with exciting news for all of our Law and Crime followers on YouTube. You can now get the live Law and Crime Network with YouTube TV for all of your daily live trial coverage, legal news, expert analysis, and original true crime programs. Subscribe to YouTube TV today and then locate Law and Crime in the channel guide. And for only $1.99 a month, you can add the network to your bundle. Watch Law and Crime every day with YouTube TV. We put you in the jury box.